Information and communication technology has become an indispensable and valuable tool for enhancing effectiveness and efficiency in all aspects of our day-to-day life. The adoption of ICT in banks has improved customer services, facilitated accurate records, provides for home and office business banking services, ensures convenient business tours, prompt and fair attention, and enhances faster services. The adoption of ICT improves the bank's image and leads to wider, faster, and more efficient market. It has also made working easier and more interesting, improves the competitive edge of banks, improves relationships with customers, and assists in solving basic operational and planning problems. The application of information and communication technology concepts, techniques, policies, and implementation strategies to banking services has become a subject of fundamental importance and concerns to all banks and indeed a prerequisite for local and global competitiveness. ICT directly affects how managers decide, how they plan, and what products and services are offered in the banking industry. It has continued to change the way banks and their corporate relationships are organised worldwide, and the variety of innovative devices available to enhance the speed and quality of service delivery. Information technology, as a definition for the banking sector, is the automation of processes, controls, and information production using computers, telecommunications, software, and ancillary equipment such as automated teller machines and debit cards. It is a term that generally covers the harnessing of electronic technology for the information needs of a business at all levels. An example of how ICT has had an impact on the banking industry is that its emergence allows banks to apply credit scoring techniques to consumer credits, mortgages, or credit cards. Hence, products that used to be highly dependent on the bank's evaluation of its customers have now become more standardized. Other examples of ICT impact on the banking industry include the improved prowess efficiency, which can reduce costs in banks, and the branch renewal, where focus is gradually shifting away from traditional brick-and-mortar banks towards the dual concept of physical branch and online portal. The issue of security is of special concern in the banking industry, as banking is highly based on trust from its customers. Hence, the risk of hackers, denial of service attacks, technological failures, breach of privacy of customer information, and opportunities for fraud created by the anonymity of parties to electronic transactions all have to be managed. Depending upon its nature and scope, a breach in security can seriously damage public confidence in the stability of a financial institution or of a nation's entire banking system. Hence, by introducing the appropriate security measures and putting security concerns at ease, a banking institute might be able to attract consumers who previously were not inclined to use e-banking. Furthermore, it is also in the bank's own interest to improve security, as digital fraud can be costly both in financial losses and in terms of the damage it does to the brand of the bank in question. Adoption of ICT has influenced the content and quality of banking operations. Investment in information and communication technology should form an important component in the overall strategy of banking operators to ensure effective performance. It is imperative for bank management to intensify investment in ICT products to facilitate speed, convenience, and accurate services, or otherwise risk losing to their competitors.